wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 6 best outdoor access points. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 6, the StarTech R300WN22MOD5 has a rugged but nondescript grey metal IP67 rated housing that looks just like a standard junction box, so it should blend into your building well. It also won't crack from sun exposure like some plastic housings will. It suffers from low interference from other devices and can be used to bridge 2 networks. However, its range isn't very far. At number 5, you'll never have to worry about limited Wi-Fi connectivity again with the Wavlink WL570HA1. It has a built-in 12 dBi directional dual polarized antenna that can transmit and receive data over long distances, making it a good choice for a community or a marina. It comes with easy-to-follow instructions and a built-in surge arrestor, but it often needs to be reset. Coming in at number 4 on our list, the Hawking Technology HP-OW5 sends out an omnidirectional signal and can function as an access point, a network bridge, or a repeater, so you get a range of features from one handy and affordable device. It also includes both a wall and pole mounting kit. This one's suitable for commercial applications, and the company offers good technical support. However, setup is time-consuming. To see all of our choices, go to wiki.ezvid.com and search for outdoor access points, or click beneath this video. Halfway up our list at number 3, the Engenius AC1750 works with 802.11a, B, G, N, and AC network architecture, so it will connect to your system no matter whether you have an old or new modem. Its fast wireless speeds allow you to surf, download, and stream without buffering. It features internal 5 dBi high-gain antennas, an IP55 rated waterproof housing, and power over Ethernet injectors. At number 2, the TP-Link CPE510 is a smart budget choice that still offers high performance. It features adjustable transmission power from 0 to 27 dBm 500 milliwatts, so you can optimize it to your needs and send out a strong signal in all weather conditions. It boasts a 15-kilometer wireless transmission range and intuitive control software. It's PoE compatible. And coming in at number 1 on our list, Ubiquiti Networks Unify Pro looks nice enough to be installed in plain view indoors, but has a durable weatherproof housing that keeps all of the sensitive interior components well protected for outdoor use. It gets a 400-foot range from 3 dual-band antennas. It offers a 1300 megabits per second data transfer speed and is easy to mount and set up. It's designed to be managed remotely. To see all of our choices, go to wiki.ezvid.com and search for outdoor access points, or click beneath this video.